Make sure there's no cars coming. Okay, I don't see any. Hold on, Cinnamon. Stay over there. Oh, got something. Okay, got this under my arm. Get the stuff that's way in the back. I don't know why they do that. Okay, hold on. Get this under my arm so I won't drop it. There we go. Okay, Cinnamon, let's go. We gotta get going. It's windy. I got the mail. Let's go. What are you doing? There's nothing there. What are you looking at? Oh. Cinnamon, let's go home. It's windy. My nose is cold already. Ugh. Wind's blowing in the face, and I don't have any extra hands. Hold on. Hold on. I don't want to drop everything. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Cinnamon. We gotta get going. It's windy. I think it's time to pick up again. See all that breeze? It's in it's still the first week of December and it's windy. Usually it gets windy in the fall, but it's still fall, not until this. Cinnamon, where'd you go? Where's that cat? Where'd she go? Cinnamon, where'd you go? Did she go in the little... Are you in there, Cinnamon? You in that drainage hole? She's just next to me. Maybe she did crawl in the hole. I don't know.